Good morning, children. This is your English teacher here. Today we are going to learn the continuation part of our lesson Don Quixote and the Windmills. As we have discussed that these two men begin their journey to have an adventure. That is Don Quixote and Sancho Panza. Now they begin their journey. So what has happened? So he asked, how could I follow you? I am a very fat man. I cannot run very fast. And also I don't have a horse to follow you. Can I follow you on my donkey? For that, Don Quixote agreed and they both begin their journey. Now, one evening, Don Quixote and Sancho Panza set out ready for the excitement of adventure. Suddenly, one evening, Don Quixote and Sancho Panza set out ready for the excitement of adventure. Suddenly, look over there, my friend. There are at least 30 great giants standing there. I shall fight and defeat them all. So what he's saying that? Don Quixote is saying that there are 30 great giants standing there. I shall go there and defeat them. I shall fight with them. So what's Sancho's response for that? He's saying, what giants, sir? He's saying that what are the giants? I didn't get you. Because there are no giants at all. Over there, waving their long arms at us. Please look again, sir. Those are not giants. They are windmills. What you call their arms are really their sails. They move round and round in the wind to make the mill's stones turn. So here those rotating arms, he is saying that they are not windmills, they are giants. Sancho is saying that they are not giants, they are windmills. For that, Don Quixote is not believing the words of Sancho. But Don Quixote did not listen. He was sure that the windmills were giants. He prepared to attack them. It is quite clear to me that you know nothing about adventure. I tell you, they are giants. If you are afraid, then you can stay here. I shall go forward and fight the battle. He is saying that if you are afraid, you no need to follow me. But he is saying that, sir, stop. Those are not giants. They are windmills. For which Don Quixote is not listening to Sancho. As he raced his horse forward, the wind rose and sails began to move very fast. Do not run away from me, cowards. There is only one knight here, yet he is brave enough to attack you all. Move your arms as much as you like. You will not stop me. So here you can see the expression of Sancho, isn't it? He is saying that do not run away, don't run away. As the arms are rotating, he is saying that the giants, do not run away. I am a brave man who came to defeat you. You all are cowards, the opposite of a brave, fearful people. Those who fear or frighten for a small and silly thing. When he struck the moving sail, Don Quixote's lance broke and he was thrown off his horse. who was thrown? Don Quixote fell down from the here. Don Quixote's lance broke down. Lance is nothing but, here you can see a weapon in his hand. This is a weapon which is used by people in olden days to fight. This is known as a lance. L-A-N-C-E, lance. Which was broke down and he fell down. So what did Sancho say? Sir, sir, are you okay? Ha! He fell down. Next, let's see what has happened. Sancho Panza hoped that Don Quixote would have learnt a lesson from the fall. Oh, sir, did not I warn you that they are only windmills? Be quiet, Sancho. I think that a magician turned those giants into windmills, so that I would not be able to conquer them. But in the end, with my good sword, I shall win. I hope so. Sancho realized that nothing could be done about his silly master, and so they set off once more in search of another adventure. So what has happened? Even though he fell down from it, he is saying that might magician changed those windmills, the giants, as windmills. But I have my good sword, I will win for sure. Don Quixote sent to Sancho Panza. For that, he said that, okay, I hope so. See that how foolish a man he is. He wants to have the adventure where there is no adventure at all. Again they started their journey to have a new adventure. In this way their journey begins. Hope that everyone understood today's class. Thank you.